Drum roll, please. So it looks like we have the Shard, Kim design, blue coated 14C, 28N steel, jade, G10 handles, and purple on death print. Okay, so the Shard is one of those, you know, rock solid, straightforward, great budget knives. I featured it here in the channel a time or two. We got the paperwork, we got the wiping cloth, we got some additional Omega springs, which is nice to include out of the box. Love that. And of course here, the knife. So let's take a look at the Shard here with this very interesting dead print. Now, this print right here is part of, I think, like a collection, right? If you're looking to collect some knives that have this sort of zombie apocalypse looking, you know, skull with the purple, the green, the blues going on. It's one of plenty that are with this color wave. And spoiler alert, I'm going to show you one in a second that is actually also part of the giveaway going on right now that has the same print. We'll come back to that one in a second. But I think of it similar to like the Desert Warrior for Blade HQ. If you know what I'm talking about, right? The one with the sprinkles, right? Just a way to add a different colorway to, you know, some popular models and things like that. And, you know, make it more of a sort of like a collector's piece, you know, add a little bit of extra sauce. So we got an opening hole here with the Shard. We have a crossbar lock, exposed liners, the pocket carry clip. It is a matching blue to the blade, and it is reversible on the other side. So we're gonna go ahead and get it deployed. And what do you get? Well, you get a very nice sheep's foot blade all day. I mean, the Shard is one of my favorite geometries from Kansept, flat grind, and especially with this blue coat right here, it's actually looking very, very nice. I mean, to say that it looks good will be a massive understatement. Not sure that the dead print really speaks to me all that much, but maybe it does to you. They did a little bit, you know, they did something pretty cool here. So the pivot is one color. This screw here is green. This one here is blue, right? On the other side, pocket clip screws are blue. This body screw is green. So the crossbar itself is purple. So like they really gave it the whole color matching, you know, little theme going on all throughout the knife. So definitely got to give them credit for that. And geometry wise, I mean, this is one of those great utilitarian knives, great for EDC, right? Draw cuts, utility cuts. You still have the leverage of having a little bit of belly on it, which is nice, but you still got that utilitarian tip. You don't have to bend the wrist all that much. As a matter of fact, let's go ahead and just give it another wipe right here. These all come nicely in oil for preservation until you unbox them. But yeah, you don't have to bend your wrist all that much to get use out of that tip, which is good. Of course, the action is going to be pretty solid. That's a crossbar lock, right? It's going to be on ball bearings. Check that out. You can use a crossbar lock for deployment. Spidey flick all day. Plenty of access there, right? To the opening hole. Down deployment is good too. As you would expect, good alignment. And we even have some milling going on the inside for weight reduction. So that's looking good. It feels like a pretty, you know, lightweight knife. Think of it kind of like a bench-made bug out in a way, but with a sheep's foot blade instead. So you got the crossbar lock. And you get, you know, probably going to be a little bit heavier weight given the obviously steel liners and whatnot, but same concept pretty much. And like I said, I have featured this knife in the channel before. It is not new. I mean, I'm thinking this color wave combo is definitely new, but they have done the Shard in a multitude of different variants, especially on the Tenable lineup. The Shard was first featured on the Kansept lineup as a more premium, higher end knife. And then it made its way over to the Tenable lineup where it's now more affordable than it ever has. And here is the other knife that's actually being given away right now, part of the 50K subscriber giveaway. The Corvette V. This one also has the undead print, as you can see. So it's like a whole, you know, colorway for different models that you could collect, right? If the design, the colorway does speak to you, right? This is another variant, also rocking the zombie apocalypse, so the skull with the blue eyes. The Shard is going to be a little bit lengthier overall lengthwise. The Corvette V is going to have that cleaver, tall blade, right? Also kind of chunky in a sense. And both of these are going to be crossbar locks as well. So this one was also featured in the channel earlier, right? But at least, you know, you kind of see how the color wave just kind of carries from one design to another.